How do we actually fix that annoying issue where your Wi Fi network just completely disappears in Windows 11? It feels like you're stranded, but we can usually get those networks back in about a minute by following these specific steps. First, open your Start menu and head into Settings, then click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. From there, scroll all the way down to Advanced Network Settings. If you see your Wi Fi adapter listed there and it says Disabled, simply click Enabled to bring it back to life. If it's already enabled but still not working, scroll down to the bottom of the same menu and click on Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters and set everything back to factory defaults. Just keep in mind your PC will restart after 5 minutes. If you're still not seeing any networks after the reboot, we're going to try a power flush. Shut down your computer completely, unplug the power cable, and then press and hold the physical power button for a full 30 seconds to drain any static electricity. Plug it back in, turn it on, and by the end of this, your Wi Fi icon and all available networks should be right back. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.